Heyo, boss, and welcome back. Chef has just one question for you today. Are you ready for some football? Okay, I'll stick to narrating. So, today marks the kickoff of the football season here in the States. We're pretty excited. Chef wants to start the season with some homemade country sweet chicken wings. Definitely a classic, very tasty, and we're excited to finally share this with you. So let's go ahead and kick it off, and let's get cooking. So Chef's, of course, going to start off with some chicken wings, some fresh chicken wings. Either use fresh or make sure they're fully thawed. Next up, he's just going to salt these to help extract some of the moisture. And he's going to get his flour base. So he has some all-purpose flour in a shallow bowl. And he's going to add some garlic powder, some paprika, and then just a little bit of pepper. If you want to add any other seasonings or spices, of course, feel free to. It's definitely your recipe as much as ours. Go ahead and mix these up with a fork. And don't forget, all the ingredients that we're using today are down below. So the first thing Chef's going to do is he's going to cook his naked wings, the non-breaded chicken wings first, so they don't clog up with all that breading. 350 degree oil. He's going to drop those in. He's going to start to let them cook. While those wings are cooking up, Chef is going to go ahead and start breading. So take your chicken wing, dredge it right through that flour that you made up, and put it right back on that plate. Those are some fancy paper towels, Chef. Did you pay extra for those little flower arrangements? All right, let's give it a little shake. Take a look. Ooh, they're coming out nicely. So a nice trick to chicken is it will float when it's cooked. Chef's going to leave these in for a little bit longer, though, because he likes them extra crispy. But several minutes, make sure they are fully cooked through. Okay, so he took those out. He now is going to drop his breaded wings. Always drop those second. And of course, it's the cooking corner, people. We bought the country sweet jar. Come on, you know us by now. But pick this up at your local grocery store, online. Make it easy for you. Go ahead and pour a little bit over those wings. He's got his naked wings in his bowl first. And just give those a nice gentle coat. Whoa, watch it there, Chef. Gentle. Okay, he's got his breaded wings almost done. He's going to be pulling those out soon. Once everything's nice and tossed in the sauce, Chef's going to plate this up like some kind of professional that he thinks he is. And there you have it. Those are our country sweet chicken wings, and we think you're going to really enjoy this recipe. Very fast, very simple. You can get these cooked up while the game's about to start, sauce them, and then bring them right out. You won't miss a minute of action. Thanks again, everyone, for joining us today. We do hope everyone has a fun season, football season this year. Be safe this year, and we can't wait because fall is approaching, one of our favorite times to cook. So stick with us, everyone. Don't forget, if you're new, subscribe, and like always, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.